Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our playlist of building a website with the Hostinger AI platform, where we are covering step by step exactly how to create a website using Hostinger AI. In the previous video, we had built out the rest of our site with our homepage and contact and an about page using the Hostinger AI generated template and also help with the Zyro editor. In today's video, we are going to use some of the AI generators that Hostinger have, including the content writer as well. So a lot to go over today. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our web development tips and tutorials. So let's get started. So Zyro's AI tools are a set of artificial intelligence powered features that help you create a website or online store really quickly and easily, even if you have no coding experience or design experience. They have the Zyro AI writer, and this tool can generate unique, informative text for your website, including headlines, product descriptions, and blog posts. You have the AI logo maker, and this tool can help you create a professional logo for your brand in seconds. You have the heat map, and this shows you how visitors are interacting with your website, so you can make changes to improve your user experience. And you have the AI assistant, and this tool provides you with personalized recommendations and advice on how to improve your website. In addition to these tools, Zyro offers a variety of other features like the drag and drop editor, which we've seen so far building out our website. There's e-commerce integrations, which we will cover in our next video, and also some SEO tools as well that we'll go over today. AI tools are a really good option for businesses and individuals who want to create a website and without having to hire a designer or a developer. They're also a good option for users who are new to website creation and want a platform that's easy to use, especially the AI writer, as it can be really tough to get some written content on your website that's optimized as well for SEO. So having AI write everything for you can make it a lot more easier. So let's get started. So there are two ways that you can get the AI content writer to work. So we'll start off with the AI content writer. You'll notice as you add text and headings to your website, you can edit that text easily. So if you click on this footer text, for example, we can edit text and we can write the text, whatever text it is. But you'll notice that some of these elements, like the text elements, will have this AI assist button. And this essentially allows you to ask AI to write about whatever it is. So in this case, we want AI to write about our content, our digital and content agency, and we're going to write some information that we want to make sure that they add, and then let AI write it for us as well. So ask AI to write about content marketing agency called Profile Tree. So the AI assist will then generate text for you. And you can see it's already quite a lot of text. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase this a little bit, and we are going to click on edit text and see what the text has actually been written. So you can see the AI text have written some text for us. We're just going to have a quick read through, and what we can do is just click on edit text and make some changes. So right now this text is a bit long, so we are going to increase that a little bit, and again we're just going to decrease the size of it and just add it here. And update the section a little bit. Perfect. So now we have some content that's written, and we've had a read through it and we've edited it as we need, but it's written with AI and it's exactly what we need. It fits in that space and it does the job. What's really good is that this content is free to use. We can generate it. We don't need to do any copyright. It can help you save time and create really high quality content for your website. It's a good option for users who aren't confident in their writing skills or who do not have the time. So that was one way to use the AI assist. The other way is to go onto this website here. So this is the Xyro content editor. You just go into Xyro's website and you just want to click on the products and go into the AI writer tool. The AI writer tool over here, you will need to be logged in. But essentially, once you have that done, all you need to do, and you can get AI to write the content for you. So you can generate the text by category, so small business, gaming, sustainability, or you can just write 2 or 3 sentences related to your industry, goods, or services. So for example, we are going to add some text for our about page. So I'm going to add some text about our about section that I want to add here. And you can see there's a little bit of a score thing as well. So essentially it just rates how much you're writing and if it needs more or less. So if we, for example, it'll say it's too short, too long, things like that. So you just want to add text about what you want the AI to write about, and you just click on generate text. And you'll get 2 results. So you can check this results here, number 2, and decide whichever one that you want. So once you have that, you just want to click on copy to the results that you want. And then we're going to navigate to the page where we want to add it. So we're going to go to the about page. And we're going to replace this text here. And perfect, we've got some content added here. It's also really useful then if you were to have a blog set up on your website and you wanted some help writing your blog, you can get the Xyro AI to help you write some of the blogs for you, and it just makes it easier to add some more content onto your website. With anything, whenever you are using content writers, not just using Xyro, but things like ChatGPT, Bard, AI, even Wix's content writer as well, you really want to make sure that you read the content first and get it manually approved by yourself or someone else in your team. This is because the AI technology is relatively new. It might not always be accurate. There might be things missing. There might be things that you need to take away that's not accurate. So you need to make sure that everything that you put is accurate, and that's just simply just looking over the content, making any changes as well. So here are some tips whenever you use the Xyro AI writer really effectively. You want to be specific when entering your sentences and your keywords. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. Use a variety of keywords, and this will help Xyro AI to generate more diverse and informative text. You want to edit the generated text as needed. It's important to edit the text to ensure that it's accurate and polished. And use Xyro AI writer to generate ideas. Xyro can help you generate ideas for headlines, product descriptions, and blog posts. You can then use those ideas to write your own content. So now let's have a look at the other tools, and this includes the AI logo maker. So you can essentially use Xyro's AI logo maker. It can help you create a professional logo for your brand in seconds. It's powered by AI and can be used by anyone regardless of their design skills. So what you want to do first is enter your brand name and then a brand description as well. And then once you're happy with everything, you just click on start creating. When you're using the Xyro AI logo maker, you want to be specific when entering your company name and your industry. This will help Xyro AI logo maker to be a bit more specific. You want to browse through different logo styles and click the one that you want in terms of layout and icon and things like that. And just customize the logo to your liking. Once you have the logo design that you like, you can customize your liking by like the spacing, icon scale, things like that. By following these tips, you can use Xyro's AI logo maker to create a professional logo for your brand that will help you achieve your business goals. So the Xyro AI heat map is the next AI tool, and it shows you how visitors are interacting with your website. It's powered by AI and can be used by anyone regardless of their technical skills. Simply add the heat map code to your website, and once the heat map code is installed, Zyro Heat Map will start tracking how visitors interact with your website. This includes tracking how they click on links, scroll through pages, and move their mouse. After a few days, you can view the heat map data to see how visitors are interacting with your website, and the heat map data is displayed in visual format, so with the most popular areas of your website being displayed in red, and the least popular areas being displayed in blue. Zyro Heat Map is really powerful and it can help you improve your website's user experience. The heat map code should be added after your website goes live so it can start increasing or collecting that data. Zyro Heat Map is included in the price of your Zyro subscription plan, so it is a lot more affordable than using any other sort of heat map platforms that are out there. It's also quite easy to use. You don't need any coding or technical skills to do it. When you're using Zyro Heat Map, to use it effectively, you want to use the data to identify areas of your website that are not performing well. And once you have identified these areas, you can make changes to improve their performance. Use the heat map data to identify the most popular areas of your website, and use the data to track the results of your changes. Once you've made changes to your website, you can use the heat map data to track the results and see if they have improved the user experience or not. You can find all of these AI tools on the left here. What you can also do with the AI tools is generate some SEO content as well. So if you click on, for example, SEO settings for the About page, you can, for example, write content for your meta descriptions. And you can see you've got some meta descriptions and keywords already set up from the page as well. And you can use the SEO page settings to see what you're also missing as well with AI. So for example, if we get heading suggestions, there's AI suggestions on how to do certain things as well. So the AI assistant is really useful in that section as well. So Zyro AI tools are a really good option for businesses and individuals who want to create a website or online store quickly without having to hire a web designer or developer. It's a good option for users who are new to website creation, content creation, and want a platform that's easy to use. Really powerful tool as well. And they're also affordable because the tools are included in the price of your Zyro subscription plan. So if you're looking to create AI tools, use AI tools to create your website, Zyro AI tools are a good option to consider. Thank you for joining us in this video. In the next video, we are going to talk a little bit more about the content generators, and then we will add online stores and launch our website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and any questions, comments, leave them in the section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.